Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the jar, blade assembly, and lid are clean and undamaged. This prevents leaks and motor strain. Next, pour liquids in first, about 1/2 cup, so blades move freely, then add solids to avoid air pockets. Once done, align the jar with the base and twist until it locks. You should hear a click. Make sure to plug in and select the low pulse to test. This first short burst checks seal and blade rotation before full blending. You'll use pulse first to break larger pieces. Press pulse in 5 to 10 second bursts to create a vortex. Once ingredients start moving, switch to continuous speed and let the motor do steady work. This creates a smoother result with less heat buildup. If mixture clings to sides, stop, unplug, and use the lid opening or a spatula to push contents toward the blades. Make sure to resecure the lid before restarting. Adjust speed depending on desired texture. Higher RPMs equal finer puree. When your texture is right, turn the machine off and unplug it. Always remove the jar by twisting. This prevents spills. Pour or transfer contents promptly to preserve freshness, then rinse the jar and blade assembly under warm water. Mild soap and a soft brush remove residue, and drying prevents odors. If the motor stalls, make sure you didn't overfill. Reduce load, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup liquid, and use short pulses to clear jams. If it still stalls, check blade seating and reset the base before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.